Mistakes made me fluent. I was afraid to speak English. My heart beat fast whenever I tried. My mouth opened, but no words came out. I thought everyone would laugh at me. I thought everyone would judge me. So I stayed quiet. One day, I wanted to introduce myself. I said, "My name is, I am name." People smiled, but I knew it was wrong. I felt small. I felt weak. I wanted to hide. Every time I tried, I made mistakes. My grammar was broken. My pronunciation was unclear. I mixed words. I forgot words. I even created strange words. At first, I felt embarrassed. I thought, maybe English is not for me. I thought, maybe I am not smart enough. But deep inside, I knew something. Mistakes are part of learning. I remembered how I learned to walk. When I was a baby, I fell many times. But I stood up again and again. I fell, I cried, I stood. That is how I learned. That is how everyone learns. So I asked myself one question. If I never speak, how will I improve? The answer was simple. I must speak. I must practice. I must accept mistakes. From that day, I changed my mind. I decided to speak, no matter what. I decided to make mistakes proudly. Because mistakes are my teachers. Because mistakes are my friends. I spoke with friends. I spoke with teachers. I spoke with strangers. Sometimes they corrected me. Sometimes they smiled politely. Sometimes they did not understand me, but I kept speaking. I kept practicing. I kept learning. Every mistake became my lesson. Every correction became my guide. One day, I ordered food in English. I said, "I want one burger." The waiter smiled. He said, "You mean, I want one burger?" I laughed. I repeated, "I want one burger." That moment taught me. That moment gave me confidence. Another day, I met a tourist. I tried to give directions. My words were not perfect, but he understood me. He said, "Thank you. Your English is good." That sentence was like gold for me. Slowly, my fear disappeared. Slowly, my voice grew stronger. Slowly, my confidence grew higher. I was not perfect. But I was improving. Step by step. Word by word. Sentence by sentence. One night, I looked in the mirror. I said, "I am speaking English." I said, "I am not afraid." I said, "Mistakes made me fluent." Today, I speak English with pride. I talk to people from many countries. I share my ideas. I tell my story. I learn from others. I teach others too that I am not perfect. Sometimes I still make mistakes. But now I smile at my mistakes. Because they remind me of my journey. Because they remind me of my growth. Fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about being brave. Fluency is about trying. Fluency is about learning every day. So my message is clear. Do not fear mistakes. Do not fear laughter. Do not fear failure. Fear silence. Fear giving up. Because silence teaches nothing, because giving up builds nothing. If you want to be fluent, speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with courage. Let people correct you. Let mistakes guide you. Let practice shape you. Remember this. A baby falls before walking. A learner stumbles before speaking. That is the way. That is the path. That is how fluency is born. So today, take one step. Say one word. Say one sentence. Make one mistake. And smile. Because that mistake is your teacher. Because that mistake is your guide. Never forget my story. I was silent. I was afraid. I was weak. But mistakes made me fluent. Mistakes gave me confidence. Mistakes gave me freedom. And they will do the same for you.